Hey, welcome to Irreducibly Human, where we explore what AI can do and cannot do and its implications for education. For decades, schools taught people to be fast at things machines are now faster at: fact retrieval, pattern recognition, arithmetic. Not because teachers were foolish, because those things were valuable. That world is gone. What's left, what machines still can't touch, is everything else. The judgment call nobody told you to practice. The question that doesn't have a right answer yet. The moment in the room when you have to decide what matters. That's not soft. That's not secondary. That is the whole game now. Irreducibly Human is a curriculum series built around one question. What does AI actually need you to do? Not compete with it. Not fear it. Supply the reasoning it genuinely cannot supply on its own. There are 7 kinds of intelligence where humans either lead or are the only ones in the room. Causal reasoning, ethical judgment, collective intelligence, the wisdom that only comes from being alive, from having actual stakes. No algorithm has stakes. It can't commit, because it can't lose. The series currently has 6 courses and 2 companion books. Each one targets a different tier, a different place where human judgment is either irreplaceable or dangerously underdeveloped. And it was built using the same AI tools it teaches you to oversee. That's not irony, that's the point. If you're an educator, a curriculum designer, or someone who builds things for other people to learn from, this was made for you. Go to irreducibly.xyz. The courses are there, the argument is there. What you'll find isn't finished. It's a working document. The curriculum takes shape as the design gets debated. The argument evolves through conversation. That's not a disclaimer. That's the point. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thanks for watching the Bear Brown YouTube channel.